All right, my name is Mallory Bayo. This is for folk dance class for Queens College, the fall 2020 semester. This is assignment 1. Today is September 4th, 2020. So the first dance that we're going to be doing is the waltz. And the waltz originated in England in the 1800s. It is a 3-count rhythm, so we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. So it's forward, backwards, forward, backwards. The basic steps that I'm going to be doing is the balance step, and I'm going to attempt the pivot and turn. So here we go. Stand straight. Okay, so that's the balance step. And let's try it with a pivot. Okay, so that's the first dance. The second dance that we're gonna do is the 2-step, which is quite literally 2 steps. You count it off as 1, 2, or we'll say 1 and 2. So this is sort of the foundation of the polka, which I'll do in the next segment. So let's just check out the 2-step. So we go 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Let me back up so you can see a bit more. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. All right, so the third dance is the polka, and the polka is a dance that originated in Czechoslovakia, and it's originally known as the peasants' dance. So this is another dance that was originating in the 1800s, this time in Germany. So the phrase is kind of turned half step, so we add a hop into the 2-step. So that's the essence of what we're going to be doing here. So when you start the polka, you kind of start off with just heel, toe, and you don't move. It's just a gesture, heel, toe, heel, toe. Then when we get into, let me just adjust the camera. When we get into the polka, so it's actually going to be now a continuous movement of hop, 1 and 2, hop, 2. In an ideal world, I would have a larger room, more room for the camera. Hopefully we got that on this take. So the third dance that we're going to be going over is the polka. Like I said, it is very similar to the 2-step. Right now we're just going to be adding in a hop, and then the 2-step, and a hop, and then the 2-step. So in my head, I'm going to be counting hop, 1 and 2, hop, 2, 1 and 2. The polka originated in Germany in the late 1800s, and this is more for like a social dance, whereas the waltz was more of, still social, but maybe a little bit more of like a conversational kind of talk. So let's try to get into this and try my best here. Hop and 2, hop, 1 and 2. All right, so now we have 3 movements that we are going to go over. So first is axial movement, second is shift of weight, and the third is transference of weight. So with axial movement, is we're always going to have feet on the ground. So an example of axial movement could be tilting, rounding, twisting. Notice the feet are always on the ground, so that's axial movement. Next is a shift of weight, and a shift of weight you always want to have your middle line centered. So if I lunge, I'm moving the center of my body with that. If I lunge this side, I'm moving the center of my body with my movement. We're going to keep that as a straight pattern. Lastly was transference of weight. And that's quite literally when you're going to transfer weight onto different sides of your body. So we have that with walking. When you're moving, you're transferring weight on one side of the other. Okay. Thank you.